20th of September 2023 at Melbourne House on the 7th green. We've got Ross pouring and doing a nice job. We're taking out cores roughly 17mm long. Just show you the core here. And 20 pence the size of the hole. It's basically it's a 12mm hole and roughly 60-70 metres core coming out. The fibre is the bit in the top that holds the water. You can see the water there. Just squeeze my fingers, do another one for you. That fibre runs onto water. Stops us nice and dry for the golfers and creates some disease issues and obviously flooding during poor weather. So hopefully this, along with scarifying and the sand injection, will get a nice firm greens.